Hi everyone, this is Sushmita, Assistant Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. Okay, in this presentation, I am going to explain you about the various types of sensors used in the wearable systems. Usually, this wearable system require sensors to capture any physiological data. In case of if we are measuring the medical parameter, in the sense it will help us to capture heart rate, respiration rate, temperature, movement. Okay, the sensors will play a major role in the wearable systems. Okay, there are many types of sensors used in case of wearable system. Okay, let us see about some of the sensors used in wearable systems. Okay, first sensor is accelerometer. Okay, these sensors are used to detect the motion and acceleration. Okay, this type of sensors are mainly used in fitness trackers for finding the track steps taken, then how much distance traveled, then how much of calories burned. Okay, likewise this sensors will detect the motion, overall motion and the acceleration of a person. Okay, then second type is heart rate monitors. These sensors will detect the heart rate. Okay, it also monitor the overall changes in heart rate over time. Okay, this is also used in case of fitness trackers and other medical devices. Okay, then another one sensor is ECG, okay, or electrocardiogram. Okay, this ECG is a medical device. It will measures the electrical activity of a heart. Okay, this is also used to diagnose the heart condition and for monitoring the heart health. Okay, then another sensor is pulse oximeter. Okay, these type of sensors will measure the oxygen saturation in the blood. Okay, it is also mainly used in medical devices for monitoring the oxygen level of a patient. Okay, this is mainly used for a patient with a respiratory problems. Then another type of sensor is temperature sensor. Okay, these temperature sensors are used to measure the body temperature. It also used to monitor the fever or a hypothermia. Okay, hypo means higher, then thermia means temperature, that is higher temperature or fever. Then next type of sensor is gyroscopes. Okay, these sensors detect rotation and angular movements. Okay, this is also mainly used in activity trackers. This is also used for tracking the movement and the posture. Okay, the next type is skin conductance sensor. Okay, these sensors are used to measure the electrical conductivity of a skin. Okay, which can be used to detect the stress and emotional arousal. Then next type is blood pressure sensor. Okay, as the name detects, it will measure the blood pressure of a patient. It also monitor the hypertension. Then breath sensors. These sensors are used to measure the respiratory rate and respiratory volume. Okay, it is also used for monitoring the breathing patterns during the sleep. Okay, it is mainly used in patient with a sleeping problem, okay, or sleep apnea likewise. Okay, this is a pictorial representation of a type of sensors used in wearable system. Okay, this picture denotes a breathing rate sensor for monitoring the breathing rate of a patient, then heart rate sensor for monitoring the heart rate, then glucose level sensor is there for measuring the glucose level, then gait analysis sensor is there, it is for detecting the movement and posture. Okay, then next type of sensor is inertia movement sensor. Okay, these inertia movement sensor or a device that uses the principles of inertia to measure the changes in the acceleration, velocity and orientation. Okay, its main applications is in navigation, robotics and aerospace. Okay, these sensors mainly consist of a MEMS. Okay, MEMS means micro electromechanical system. okay, that contains a mass or multiple masses suspended by a thin metal arms. Okay, when a device moves, the masses tends to remain stationary due to their inertia, then causing the arms to deflect. Okay, this deflection can be measured using a various mechanisms such as piezoresistive, capacitive, or optical sensing. Okay, it uses a MEMS. Okay, if the device moves, this MEMS will remain stationary. This is due to the inertia. This is causing the arms to deflect. Okay, this deflection is measured by piezoresistive or other methods. Okay, these are the some of the inertial sensors. Okay, high-end inertial sensors, then low-cost inertial sensors, custom-made inertial sensors are in this picture. Okay, then inertia movement sensor. There are different types of inertia movement sensors. We already seen about this accelerometer, gyroscopes, inertial measurement units. Okay, this inertia movement sensor are mainly used in applications including mobile devices, gaming consoles, drones, autonomous vehicle. Okay, for these and all, they are using an inertia movement sensor. Okay, this enable the precise movement tracking and helps to enhance safety, performance, and efficiency. Okay, the next thing is respiration activity sensor. This is a device. It will measures the respiratory rate and depth of person's breathing. Okay, it is mainly used in hospitals to monitor the breathing of a patient. Okay, for the breathing of the patients who are unconscious or undergoing the anesthesia. Then this sensor usually consists of a belt or a strap. Okay, this is placed around the person's chest or abdomen. Can it contain sensors? This one will detect the expansion and contraction of a chest. Okay, if a person breathes, there is a movement of intercostal and extracostal muscles. Okay, due to this there will be expansion and contraction of the chest. Okay, this expansion and contraction is measured by this sensor. Okay, then the data collected by the sensor can be used to monitor the patient's breathing rate and depth. Okay, this is a pictorial representation of a respiration activity sensor. Okay, here there are three types of respiration activity sensors are used. First thing is stressor. Okay, stressor, the variation in chest movement is measured by the strain sensor and triboelectric sensor. Then it is extraction of a signal metrics associated with the mental status. Okay, the next type is patch type. Here also accelerometer is used for collecting the respiratory data. Then next type is textile type. Okay, here they are using a textile based sensors for measuring the respiration rate. Okay, thank you all.